Hey everybody, John Peterson from John Peterson Photography, and today I'm here with a quick tip for you if you're a user of the TK8 action panels. I've been using the TK series of products for many years and love what Tony has done for streamlining and making my images better in Photoshop. So I wanted to highlight kind of just a quick feature that I use regularly in the TK panels, and that's this action that he created to identify and clean up dust. It's a real easy thing to do, and it does a great job of identifying and cleaning up the dust. All right, so let's jump into Photoshop and take a look. All right, so here's an image I have from Alaska, and I was up there recently and it was a really windy day. I was getting a lot of dust and dirt on my sensor. And so one of the easy ways to identify and clean up some of this dust is using either the CX panel or the combo panel. Doesn't matter, this action is available through either one. And what you want to do is you want to go down to the bottom here, open up these actions, and you'll see one that says Clean Dust. And when you run this, what the system does is that it creates a heal and clone layer. It also creates a desaturation layer and a dust amplification layer. And the final thing that it does is it selects your spot healing brush. So now with this desaturated accentuated layer, you can see these dust spots appear even better than with the naked eye in a color format. So all I need to do is then just highlight these and clean them up. Real simple and real easy. And when you're done cleaning up these dust spots, what you need to do is select both the amplify and the desaturate layer and delete them. And then you're left with just a beautiful image that's free from dust. So let's take a look at another example. This one is shot out in the Palouse, and you know, like the previous shot, anytime you have gray skies, it's really a prime opportunity to accentuate the dust that's on your sensor. And immediately when I look at this, I can see, you know, some dust spots over here. I can see one up here, a couple of shadow ones in here. So let's go ahead and run this clean dust action and see what we see. So instantly I can see some big dust spots that I need to erase. I can see these with my naked eye, even without my glasses on. Isn't that something? Those are some big dust spots. All right, so, you know, in that regard, it looks like I'm good. One up here. But now, here's the next trick, is get your zoom tool and zoom in as much as you can, and you'll start to see even more dust spots. I'll zoom out just a little bit, and I can start to see a whole lot more dust spots that I couldn't see with my naked eye. The Palouse is a dirty place to photograph, and anytime you change lenses out there, you run the risk of getting dirt on your sensor. And you know, it shows up in your photographs. And so for those of us that really want to have the best possible photograph, taking a little extra time and running through the clean dust action in the TK8 panel is the way to go. So I got all those cleaned up, and then all I do is select and delete these two layers. And I am good to go. Oops, let me close that out. We'll go back to 100%, close the panel. Boom, there we are, looking good. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Please think about subscribing to the channel. Tickle the bell, give it a like, do whatever you need to do, but I appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day and keep on shooting.